So as we look towards 2024, some of these I'm repeating as well from a previous webinar, but I agree with this. I said before, Howard Marks put out his most recent memo. I agree with him. I think this is going to be a needle in a haystack environment, meaning there are going to be fewer great tech stocks. So I think we were in this mentality that every growth stock is a great stock. Just buy it and it'll go up. That is not the environment we're in. And we may not be back in that environment for a long time if people like Howard Marks are correct. So valuations are high right now. If that's the case, boy, those valuations are very, very high. They have not responded at all to the interest rates over this past year. So that's a little bit of thin ice. And tech, again, is the most sensitive sector to interest rates because of the cash flows being rated on a cash flow basis. And therefore, valuations will go down. That is the law of tech. So we do this daily. We want to participate in either scenario. And I'm saying we do it daily, and I'm reminding people we're active because if somebody only looks at their stock portfolio once a year, then this 2 to 3 month rally is probably not the right opportunity. If there's somebody that looks at their stock portfolio every week, that could possibly work depending on what your financial analyst says. But from our perspective, we definitely want to participate in this rally. You'll be getting a lot of trade alerts when we're at the top. You'll see us selling. Or like Knox has said, the top is already in and you'll start to see us use risk management sooner. So we are not building long-term positions right now, but we will be building those in spades